Let's solve this question, which says that two people A and B get the same salary. Their basic pay structures are different. The allowances are 65% and 80% of their basic pay respectively. What is the ratio of their basic pay? To solve this, we will first suppose the basic pay of A is equals to X and basic pay of B is equals to Y. We will suppose this, that A's basic pay is X and B's basic pay is Y. Their allowances are 65% and 80% of their basic pay. So A's allowance is equals to 65% of X, that is 0.65 X. 65% can be written as 65 over 100. From there we get this. Similarly, B's allowance is equals to 80% of Y, that is equals to 0.80 Y. We have been given that A and B get the same salary. First, we'll calculate the A's salary now. A's salary, which will be equal to his basic pay, that is X, and allowance plus 0.65 X. This is 1.65 X. Similarly, B's salary is equal to Y plus 0.80 Y, that is 1.80 Y. So A and B have the same salary, which means this and this both are equal. That is 1.65 X is equal to 1.80 Y. Now we have to calculate the ratio of their basic pay. Their basic pay is X over X and Y. So we have to calculate the X ratio Y. We can write this as also X over Y. So from here X over Y is equals to 1.80 over 1.65 or 180 over 165. We cancel it with 15. It's 12 over 11. So from here we get X equals to 12 and Y is equals to 11. Therefore, the ratio of A and B's basic pay is equals to 12 ratio 11. This is 11. Okay, this is the answer.